evaluate this one here from 0 until pi over 2 cos x over 5 dx. Integral of cos, differentiate cos, negative sign. Integral cos, they give you sine x over 5. Okay, and then differentiate x over 5, come up with 1 over 5. Okay, 1 over 5 here, bring up here, come up with 5. Okay. First we integrate cos. Cos, it gives you sine x over 5. And then divide by derivative of x over 5. X over 5, come up with 1 over 5. Okay. 1 over 5. And then bring up here, become 5 over 1. Okay, so this is now 5 sine in bracket of x over 5. This is the angle, and this 1 over 5 can turn into 5 here, 5 over 1. Okay, from 0 until pi over 2. Okay, now we substitute the value of pi over 2. First, we substitute 5 sine, okay, x equal to pi over 2. Pi over 2 divided by 5 minus 5 sine x equal to 0. 0 over 5. And this, of course, turning into 0, right? Okay, so then here now, this come up with 5 sine pi over 10 minus, okay, sine 0. Sine 0. What about sine 0? The graph of sine is begin here, right? So sine 0 means that this is everything equal to 0. 0 times 5, 0. So then equal to, if you take a calculator here, you come out with 1.5451. Okay. Okay, class, I have checked with my calculator. So there might be recall. We need double check because I get it here, which is 0. Sorry, what happened? 0.0274. Okay, because this everything equals 0 here, and then for this one, which is sine, okay, pi divided by 10 equal to 5.483 power of times 10 power of negative 3, and then multiplied with 5 here. It gives you this one here. Okay, you may test with your calculator which one is, because I just get it from the sources of the notes, but this one I press the calculator, so you may please double check. Okay. So next, evaluate this one here. Okay, so in this case, before we substitute the value of a, x equal to a until b, 0 up to 3, we need to solve everything this first. Okay, for this case, what if I separate, I ignore the value of x, a until b. Let's solve this first. Okay, so from 3x plus 1 divided by square root of x plus 1 dx. Okay. Okay, so for this one here now, okay, for this question, we are going to use the substitution method. Okay, so since that we have, okay, we got the x plus 1 and we compare with 3x plus 1. Before that, okay, u equal to x plus 1. Okay, we take this term here as our reference, become u here, then du equal to 1 dx. And from here, we can come up with x equal to u minus 1. Okay, so we substitute here where 3 and x, where x equal to u minus 1. So u minus 1 divided by square root of x plus 1, where x plus 1 equal to u, and dx equal to du. Okay, do you find any x left here? Okay, I'm sorry, I think that I left something. Okay, 3x, where x equal to u minus 1, x equal to u minus 1. And don't forget we have x plus 1 here. Okay, sorry, I left it. So that du. Okay. Do you find any x left here? No. Okay, it's all turned into u. So then, in that case, let's take a look at the value of x here when x equal to 0 and when x equal to 3. Because everything will turn into u here now, so the value of variable of x equal to a0 until 3 then turn into the new value of u, where u, we use the recall the equation of u equal to x plus 1. So that when x equal to 0, 0 plus 1, then u equal to 1. Okay, and then here, when x equal to 3, 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Okay, so integrate this 3 times u, 3u minus 3 times 1 equal to 3 plus 1 divided by square root of u du. Okay, so then 3u, negative 3 plus 1 minus 2 divided by square root of u du. Okay. So actually that in this question we use the substitution method. Then, so class, I separate this into two parts here. Integral of 3u divided by square root of u means that we're talking about u to the power of 1 over 2. Okay. Du minus integral of 2 divided by u power of 1 over 2 du. So take the 3 and 2 outside because it's just a constant. 3 and 2 here. So you come up with 3 integral of, bring this above, okay, u minus u power of half. So u power of 1, u power of 1 divided by u power of half. So divide means that 1 minus half. Become u power of 1 minus half equal to half. Minus 2. Okay, bring this above here. So u power of half, a denominator, bring up here, become u power of negative 1 over 2 du. Okay, so that now it become if I bring up here, equal to, okay, integral of u power of half, 3, integral of u power of half, then come up with u power of half plus 1, half plus 1, or half plus 2, 1 over 2 plus 2 over 2, 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2. Okay, minus 2, and integral of this means that half plus 1 come up with u power of 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 2. Okay, and then bring this, okay, divide by 3 over 2, bring this above here, come out with 3 times, switch the position upside down, so we could 3 over 2, bring up here become 2 over 3, then u power of 3 over 2 minus 2, and this one here, bring up here become 1 over 2, bring above here become 2 over 1 or 2, and u power of 1 over 2. Okay, now divide, then you have 2 u power of 3 over 2 and minus 2 times 2 equal to 4 power of 1 over 2. Okay, so class, from here, from 0 to 3, and we turn it into the value of u, which is 1 until 4, 1 until 4, 1 until 4. Okay, so 1 until 4 and 1 until 4. So then also here from 1 until 4, 1 until 4, 1 until 4. Okay. So it's time for us now to substitute the value of u and u with 4 here. Okay, the first is we substitute 2u power of 3 over 2 minus 4u power of half and turn it all the u with 4. So 2 times 4 power of 3 over 2 minus 4 times 4 to the power of half. Okay, and minus, again this term where substitute the u and this u with the value of u equal to 1. So 2 times 1 power of 3 over 2 minus 4 times 1 to the power of 1 over 2. Okay, so look at this one here now. 4 to the power of 3 over 2. 3 over 2 means that it is square root of 2 and power of 3. So square root of 4 equal to 2. 2 power of 3 equal to 8. Again, this 2 is a square root, right? So square root of 4 equal to 2. And 2 power of 3 equal to 8. 8 times 2 equal to 16. Minus square root of 4 equal to 2. 2 times 4 equal to an 8. Minus, okay, 1 power of 3 over 2 is still 1. 1 times 2 equal to 2 minus square of 1 is 1 times 4 equal to 4. So 16 minus 8 equal to 8. 2 minus 4 equal to negative 2. Negative times negative positive. So then 8 plus 2 equal to 10. Okay. Next,